Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, viewers, today we will make beautiful and easy crafts using Jute. Jute are natural, strong and very easy to use. You can make home decoratives and many creative things. Let's start making some amazing jute crafts. Jute coasters. First we make jute coaster. Take a long piece of jute, roll it in a circle, glue each layer carefully, keep rolling. It becomes the size you want. You can make small or big coaster. They are perfect for your table and very easy to make. Plant holder. Now we will make jute plant holder. Take a small plant pot, cut long pieces of jute rock, wrap the pot with glue. You can make a hanging holder by adding extra rock to hang. It looks natural and beautiful for your plants. Wall hanging. Now let's make a jute wall hanging. Cut piece of jute rope in different length. Tie them on a wooden stick. You can add beads or small decoration. Hang it on the wall. It's give a very cozy and natural look to your room. And we will jute bag. Now we will make jute bags. Take a jute fabric or stick jute drops or glue it into a small bag. Decorate with ribbon, button and small flower. Jute bags are strong, friendly and perfect for gifts or shopping. Jute table mats. Now we will make jute table mats. Take long jute rock, roll them into a circle or square shape. Glue the layer carefully. You can make big or small mats for dining tables. They look simple and elegant. Jute photo frame. We will make a jute photo frame. Take a wooden or cardboard frame. Wrap jute rope around the frame using glue. Decorate with small flower, beads or shell. Now you have a beautiful nature photo frame for your home jewelry. Now let's make a jute jewelry. Take think jute rope, make bracelet or necklaces by cutting. You can add beads or charm. Jute jewelry is natural, unique and perfect as a gift. Jute gift box. Finally, let's make jute gift box. Take a small box, bob it with jute rope or fabric. Decorate with flower, ribbon or small bag. And tag your gifts box. Look very nature and beautiful, perfect for any celebration. Wow! Today we made many amazing jute craft, coaster, plant holder, wall hanging, bag, table mat, photo frame, jewelry or gifts box. Jute is nature, easy and perfect for home decoration and gifts. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more simple crafts ideas. Keep crafting and enjoy creating with jute. So friends, Allah Hafiz.